Hey guys, welcome back to Recode. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to install MySQL on your Mac OS. For that you have to type MySQL on Google search, and the first link you have to go there and click on downloads button, and you may get all the options like there, and make sure which OS version you are currently using. For that you have to click on Mac icon on the top left corner and click on about the system. Then you can see which version of Mac OS you are currently using. Once you've done that, you have to go to MySQL community server, and you have to click on the DMG file. Then they will ask you for the login or sign up button to the Oracle. If you want, you can just skip that step by saying no thanks and just start my download. Okay, once you click on that, the download will automatically start. So I have skipped the downloading part, and you can see my file is downloaded in the download folder, and it's known as DMG. Double click on that. Once you double click on that, it will extract all the files into some other system, and it will show you the package file over there. And yeah, as usual, double click on that and dialog box appear. Like you have to continue the installation, click on the agree statement and click on the install button. If you want more configuration or something, then you can go to the installation and configure by yourself, or what I'm doing right now is the easy process that you can skip all the complex thing, and you can go and continue this. All the MySQL workbench, everything will be installed automatically on the back end. So make sure that you have installed that, and make sure you enter the password for the root user. So I'm going to give my root user as my system password, and yeah, I have done the configuration. Okay, let's wait the configuration to be loaded. It will take around 1 or 2 minutes to the configuration to perform all the database installation. Once it's done, click on close button, and yeah, you are set to go. In Mac there is a simple problem which is we are not using in Windows. For every time when you restart your computer, make sure that MySQL is running on the backend. For that you have to go to the settings, and you can see the MySQL over there, and that's all you have to do. Then copy the terminal into your dock bar and open the terminal, and paste the login command, and type the password which you already set while installing the system, installing the MySQL. So that's all you have to go. The login password or login command is there in the description box. You guys go and use that login. And thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned and subscribe us.